People always love living near Buttonwood Park Zoo. Why? Great outdoor space. You can wake up in the morning and head down to the pond or go for a walk or jog. You can bring the kids or the grandkids to the swings or to the zoo. Just west of it are these series of dead-end streets that start in New Bedford and end in Dartmouth with these adorable homes. And here is one of them. 37 Pinette Street in Dartmouth is a 1,200 square foot, 3-bedroom home, newer heating system, updated electrical, beautiful oak floors. Let's take a look. They really knew how to build nice one-level homes in the 50s. And here's a perfect example of it. The house invites you in this really great, bright living room with south-facing picture windows, formal dining room and kitchen, and some good-sized bedrooms. We have a fireplace here, a formal dining room, and a nice large eating kitchen. Kitchen is a great size. All new stainless steel appliances, room for a breakfast table. You have great views of your backyard and easy access to your garage. I would love to show you this home. If you're interested in taking a tour of 37 Pinette Street in Dartmouth, give me a call at 508-965-8683.